Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show an overview of the Debtors segment. From the diary screen, click on a navigation wheel located on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. For more information on the navigation wheel, please refer to the navigation wheel user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Debtors segment. The Debtors screen will open. We will be reviewing all the tabs within the Debtors navigation bar, providing an explanation for each one. The Debtors screen displays a comprehensive list of demographic information for both the main members and dependents on the system. For an in-depth explanation of the Debtors screen as well as the Debtors sidebar, please refer to both the Debtors list as well as the Debtors sidebar functionality user manuals linked in this video's description. Click on a Debtors statement tab. The Debtors statement screen will open. Practices print bulk debtor statements when emailing addresses are unavailable, saving time and eliminating the need for individual printing for each debtor. For more information regarding the Debtors statement screen, please refer to the Debtors statement bulk user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a multi-invoice tab. The multi-invoice screen will open. The multi-invoice screen creates batches when multiple invoices, which can include invoices from the same debtor in different days or for multiple debtors. This feature is primarily utilized by bureaus to advance quicker billing. For more information regarding the multi-invoice screen, please refer to the multi-invoice screen user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a close button to return to the previous screen without saving. Click on a save button to save the changes made and return to the previous screen. Click on the ERA management tab. The ERA batch screen will open. Electronic remittance advice imports receipts from medical aids against debtors or cases into GoodX in a structured manner. For an in-depth explanation of the ERA management screen, please refer to the WA ERA management screen overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a debtor validation tab. The debtor validation screen will open. Please note that if no active session is found, you will first need to open a new debtor validation session. Debtor or patient validation is used to see if the patient is a valid and active member of the medical aid. For an extensive explanation regarding the debtor validation, please refer to the patient validation, dependent data, new debtor import and benefit check user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a close button to return to the previous screen without saving. Click on a save button to save the changes made. Click on a Patient Identifier tab. The Patient Identifier screen will open. The Patient Identifier verifies the patient's identity by matching their facial features to a photo on the electronic file. This requires the patient to be an existing debtor with a loaded photo. For more information regarding the Patient Identifier screen, please refer to the Patient Identifier user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a close button to return to the previous screen. Click on the CRM tab. The Build SMS email screen will open. The Customer Relation Manager allows you to create and send bulk SMSs and email messages to patients. This function can also be used for sending reminders about outstanding amounts on files or for sending birthday wishes. For an in-depth explanation regarding the Build SMS email screen, please refer to the Send Bulk Reminder SMS user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Clinical Reports tab. The Clinical Reports screen will open. Clinical Reports allows practitioners to access summaries of pathology results. For more information regarding the Clinical Reports screen, please refer to the Clinical Reports user manual linked in this video's description.